You can save up to 40% in overhauling an engine versus replacing the engine. That's going to allow you to have a major cost benefit, and it's going to allow you to keep your machine that the engine is running in to keep going a lot longer. By overhauling the engine, you are going to improve the performance, so much so that it is back up to as near as a new engine. You're going to maintain that familiarity with the parts and the components. So the technicians are already aware, it's already been in the field for a long time, so we're able to keep going with the components we've got and extend that engine life. The parts availability is already out there within the network. So by scheduling that with your distributor, they can make sure that they've got the parts on the shelf in advance. So when we go to overhaul your engine, we can then seamlessly transact that. So by scheduling that overhaul and having the parts on the shelf, we will be able to reduce the downtime for your engine or your machine and have it back up and running potentially quicker than we would with a replacement. If you were to have to replace the engine and it's in a higher tier territory, you then could have to replace the machine, which is a lot more costly for the customer. So by overhauling, you're reducing that part down too. So much more cost effective.